So this is a 30-piece jewelry organizer skirt which can be hung from a hanger, and it is made up of pretty sturdy plastic fabric, or it can be hung using your closet's rods. In the back, as you can see, there are clasps provided through which you can pass the closet hanger's rod. There are multiple such clasps on the back side, right from the beginning, right from the top all the way down to the bottom, so you can hang it at different levels. And each row has 3 pockets, and you can hang your different jewelry in different pockets, and you can see it at a glance. The beauty of this jewelry organizer is that you can see all the jewelry at once, and you don't have to be, when you're in a rush, you don't have to start looking in different boxes for your different kinds of jewelry. You can organize different types of jewelry like bangles or necklaces or rings or other types of jewelry neatly in different rows and in different pockets, so that when you are in a rush and you want to quickly select some jewelry, you can get them at a glance and be done with it. Eliminates a lot of different types of boxes to be stored, and it hangs very neatly. The plastic is pretty decent quality and comes in 2 different colors, black and pink. Also, in addition, you can order this from dhgate.com. It's a nice product. I've ordered it, and my wife is very happy with it and will be using it for her personal jewelry storage. She hasn't put all her jewelry yet in this, but this is for the demonstration. Wanted to make sure that it was useful, and it is. Took us some time to unwrap it, and it came nicely packed in a box and was shipped promptly. So good product, no hesitation in recommending it. Try it out, order it, try it out. It's a good product and you can use it, and very easy to even put the jewelry back once you've used it. And so you can see over there how easy it is to just put the jewelry back, and there you go. So hope you like it, order it, try it out. It's a good product.